Hello, Facebook friends. Blessed Pisces Moon Monday. I am laying on the bed with two of my cats. This is Milky. Hi, boys. Yeah, because it is balls hot outside. I've just got the blinds cracked a little bit to get a little light for this thing. I went out food shopping today. There were little children melting to the street. So I am under a ceiling fan in my centrally air-conditioned home and getting ready for the week ahead of me. Hello, Linda. Hello, Carol. Hello, Daria. Hello, ladies. So, yeah, I'm trying to, do these Facebook Live things at least once a month, once a week. Mondays feel good for that. And what a week we have in front of us. But I called this one Spell Ingredients, Subscriptions on with a Pisces Moon, because I am a Pisces Moon. So, for starters, hey Liz, for starters, my ebook is up and available. Spell Ingredients from a Professional Witch by Mark A. Lyons. It is up on the internet. You can buy it for $10. If you want the link, I'll post it, once I have this edited and out there, on YouTube, etc. I will post a link to that. It was really fun to make. It was a really good time writing it. There's a lot to talk about on that, but some other time, or just ask me about the process. But I love the creative process. Anyway, creating my first ebook was really, really a lot of fun. So I'm glad it's out there. And you can subscribe to our Constant Contact email marketing program, and you get a free mini version when you do that. I'll pop a link in there too for y'all. But the big subscriptions are the Grace and Guidance on the drawing. Go to www.drawingthecircle.com and you will see Grace and Guidance, and you click on that. It will drop down some tabs, and it's got 3 levels of membership: the audio, the video, and the audio video. 3 different levels, 3 different prices. Getting all of that up and running has just been a labor of Hercules. I was going to say a labor of love. I do love the content. The audio stuff, I've been cranking out a bunch of them, just for people who are subscribers, and 4 videos a month. That changes up every month from what we have on Vimeo. So the 4 witch classes, Witch Class Cycle 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 are up there now. In August, we're going to do August 1st, the next one, because this one released a little late. We will have Witch Class Cycle 1, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and et cetera, et cetera. We'll keep adding stuff like that. Huzzah! Congratulations! Why, thank you, my dear. One hand clapping. So we finally got this stuff up and going. There's still so much more going on. The next ebook is in process. It's called Words of Grace. It's based on the audio stuff that you get on as an audio subscriber, but we're just using that as a foundation, and we're going to run with it. And then the next 3 books I'm writing are my autobiographies. The Professional Witch, Career in Magic, Miracles, and Mysticism is the first one. It's my relationships with women. The second one is The Vibrational Hedonist, The Many Lives and Loves of a Divine God, where I will be talking about how I learned about Course in Miracles and the forgiveness process and belief creation and reality creation and all of that through my relationships with men. That's going to be the sex, drugs, and rock and roll metaphysical novel for sure. And then the last one, To Be a God, about my relationships to the gods and all the mysticism and stuff. So yeah, I've got a busy rest of the year laid out in front of me now that I taught myself how to make an ebook, and I am going to sell that ebook everywhere that I can find it that doesn't charge me too much. So check it out. You'll be able to have the whole Mark A. Lyons ebook collection, and if Warner or somebody wants to pick it up and publish it in paper, they can pay me to do that. And I want to thank so much Jen Capeza and Jill Schweitzer. Yes, I have a Schweitzer editing my book, but it was actually Jen Capeza's idea at All Caps Consulting for me to write a mini ebook for Constant Contact that was supposed to be 5 pages, and it ended up being 40. So there's creativity for you. And Jill, who's just been so much fun. I actually dictate stuff onto MP3s and send it to her, and she not only transcribes it, she edits it. So just endless creativity between her and I, with her and I, and so much good stuff coming, and so many new friends I'm making, and I'm gonna try and put my teeny tiny little witchy boot toe down in Brooklyn to see if they want me to come teach there. That's this week. Just waiting until the moon's on in Pisces to do that. Moon will be in Aries after or on Independence Day. Oh, and happy Independence Day. Happy 4th of July. Please stay safe in advance. There was just so much going on, so much creativity. an old teacher of mine, meaning from a long time ago, as well as she just old now, used to say, big death, big rebirth. Well, I think we've all been through some pretty big deaths as of late, personally. So, yeah, it's big rebirth time. Oh, and I got to see Zeus and Hera this weekend. Both what I nicknamed my parents as, Arnold, Zeus, Carol, Hera, but actually experienced Zeus and Hera in a brief mystical visionette this week, along with a bunch of other gods, not showing me what's going to happen on my path, but giving me an indication of the vibration of what's going to be called upon within me and the soul strengths that I have to develop and how I have to balance my love, my power, and my wisdom to pull off what I have to do in this life and to make Join the Circle Productions and the Silver Broom Ministries the success that it is destined to be. I just have to walk the hero's journey and have relationships and stay looking fabulous. Onto the last jar of cream has been sold, darling. Anyway, I love you all. I wish you a great week, and I'll talk to you next week. Remember, you can always reach out. I'm taking Wednesday off for the holiday, going to a picnic with Amy, a barbecue at Amy's family's house. But Thursday, Friday, I even think Saturday and Sunday, I'm probably wide open. If you would like a reading or a spiritual counseling, just drop me a private message. I love you all. Have a really, really, really great week. Hell, farewell, and blessed be.